A sales funnel is essentially a graphic depiction of the customer journey that leads potential customers from initial awareness to the final purchase. These platforms typically offer a wide selection of pre-made templates that are suited for different phases of the sales process, from lead generation to conversion. The best sales funnel software helps streamline and automate sales operations by enhancing engagement, boosting conversion rates, and optimizing the sales procedures. In this video, we will explore the top 5 sales funnel software, their key features, and how they automate your sales processes. Each software offers unique features that cater to different sales operations, making it crucial to understand what each one brings. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button before we continue with this video. Thank you. Also, make sure to check the description below to try any of these software for free. Now, let's dive in as we share with you the top 5 sales funnel software right now. Number 5. Wishpond. Wishpond is a sales funnel and marketing automation tool that helps users customize, create, and launch surveys, landing pages, promotions, lead management, and email campaigns that help nurture website visitors and convert them into leads. With features like a drag-and-drop landing page builder, social contests, pop-ups, and forms, users can send personalized emails based on behavior, automatically score and segment leads into lists based on activity and personal characteristics. Wishpond allows you to track all lead-related information in one dashboard, including links clicked, forms filled, emails opened, and so on. Its marketing automation engine helps automate emails and SNS campaigns based on the activities you select. Wishpond also keeps your visitors busy with product-related feeds. With each minute spent on your website, the visitor becomes more convinced to buy your products. Number 4. Pipedrive. Pipedrive is a market-leading CRM and sales pipeline management tool that enables businesses to automate their sales activities, generate and monitor leads, and streamline every action involved in converting a potential lead into a successful sale. With its user-friendly interface, Pipedrive also provides specialized add-ons such as Lead Booster for lead generation, web visitors for site traffic evaluation, Smart Docs for document management, automated campaigns for email marketing, and task tracking tools for project management. Pipedrive revolutionizes the sales process by providing a comprehensive platform that helps you track the sales pipeline, manage leads, and automate tasks, all in one place. Its real-time sales reports, team monitoring, and advanced sales metrics tools deliver insights directly to your fingertips, offering full transparency and empowering you to make data-driven decisions swiftly and with confidence. Pipedrive also displays the progress stages for every lead, with complete details for the next viable items. Whether it's making opt-in pages, collecting payments, hosting web forms, or simply generating standalone sites, Pipedrive has proven to be an invaluable tool for businesses and organizations seeking to generate and automate leads that drive sales. Number 3. Keap. Keap is a revolutionary sales funnel and marketing automation tool that helps businesses automate and optimize their sales processes, create targeted email campaigns, segment their customers, track interactions, and boost lead-to-deal conversion rates. With its user-friendly interface, users can also manage their e-commerce stores, from inventory management to payments and purchase fulfillment, set up online shopping carts, track digital storefront activity, and send quotes, invoices, and receipts. Keap also allows you to build appealing landing pages for free by offering landing page templates designed by professionals that you can customize to fit your brand. With its advanced contact organization capabilities, businesses can tag contacts based on different metrics or data points, helping with segmentation and targeted marketing efforts. Keap boasts of a 22% open rate and a 37% click rate on emails, far higher than the industry standard. What makes Keap stand out from others is its tightly integrated sales funnel and CRM tool that gives you an excellent high-level view of your business. Number 2. Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels is a high-converting sales funnel that offers powerful features for lead generation, landing page builders, email and SMS marketing, online courses, and much more. It enables the creation of various types of funnels, such as sales funnels, shopping cart pages, membership site portals, and web pages. Clickfunnels automatically converts web pages into dynamic, mobile responsive pages that can be visited from multiple mobile devices and support different screen resolutions. It also offers interactive tools for creating websites and marketing funnels that businesses can use to engage with their target audience and drive in more sales. With Clickfunnels Analytics tool, businesses can track their visitors' activities on websites and generate various insights that can help improve client engagement. Clickfunnels' versatility is more than just marketing and sales. It has been used in mental health counseling and coaching as a platform for promoting digital products and books on social media. Whether it's capturing leads or selling products online, Clickfunnels proves to be a valuable tool for creating landing pages, sales pages, and bridge pages for online marketing, streamlining sales operations, and driving revenue growth. Number 1. System.hi-ho. System.hi-ho is an all-in-one sales funnel and marketing platform that helps online businesses, e-commerce, and marketers build and automate sales funnels, webinars and memberships, run affiliate programs, and automate email and SMS campaigns that boost lead generation and sales. With its drag-and-drop interface and dozens of sales funnel templates, System.hi-ho helps both newbies and experts create web pages using predefined templates and integrate membership sites and payment systems for subscribers. Additionally, businesses can use the System.hi-ho editor to set up membership sites, configure timed access, and sell content online. System.hi-ho enables users to automatically capture leads, turning every potential lead into a successful sale. By consolidating these essential tools into a single platform, System.hi-ho aims to reduce the complexity and costs associated with using multiple software. System.hi-ho works as an online sales funnel, CRM, and webinar software, so you can launch your online business and scale it up to success without the need for additional software or tools. With System.hi-ho Webinar, you can educate your audience on your products and generate leads. Not only can you create unlimited webinars with System.hi-ho, but also handle webinar registration, feedback, follow-ups, and delivery from a single window. Overall, System.hi-ho helps reduce email clutter related to sales activities, ensures follow-ups are not missed or forgotten, streamlines sales processes, automates repetitive tasks, and facilitates communication between teams, making it the best sales funnel tool for businesses looking to boost sales and drive leads into their sales pipeline. In conclusion, when choosing the best sales funnel software for your business, it is critical to thoroughly consider your company's needs, goals, and budget. With the right sales funnel software, you can easily visualize your customer's journey, find holes where they drop off, and cut out unnecessary steps to boost your sales. It is also important to consider support for your business scalability when choosing the right sales funnel software. You can check the link in the description below to try any of these sales funnel software for free and get access to premium tools that will boost your sales. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future uploads.